So hi everyone, I am Liam. So welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to practice English with ChatGPT. So I will ask ChatGPT help me list some questions for the front-end interview. So and then I will answer uh, maybe two or three questions because I want to practice uh, for to prepare for the real interview in the future. So English is very important for my career. So if you want to get a high salary or uh, a good conditional uh, working good working condition also, you have to have uh, uh, English skill by speaking, listening, and writing. And in order to get a good job, so uh, I need to practice more in English. So one of the important thing that I need to maybe I will have an English interview with the employer uh, employer. So that is the reason why I choose ChatGPT to practice. It can give me a feedback that help me improve my answers. So I will show you how I do it with ChatGPT. Um, so okay, let's get started. Hi.
Hi there. How's it going?
Yeah, I'm good. Today's I am going to practice an interview for the front-end developers. So can you help me?
Of course, I'd be happy to help. Are there any specific topics or questions you'd like to focus on? Or do you want to do a general mock interview?
So I think mock general's interview is okay.
Great. Let's get started with some common front-end developer interview questions. I'll ask you a question and you can respond. Ready? Here's the first one. Can you explain what the DOM is and how it works?
So DOM is stand for Document Object Model. So it's a structure for website. They contains many tags like P or so it look like a skeleton for a website. And yeah.
You're on the right track. The DOM, or Document Object Model, represents the structure of a web page as a tree of objects. Each element in the HTML document becomes a node in this tree. JavaScript can interact with the DOM to dynamically change the content and structure of the page. This allows for interactive and dynamic web applications. Keep practicing and you'll get even more comfortable with these concepts. Would you like to try another question?
Okay, another please.
Sure. Here's another question. Can you explain the difference between equals equals and triple equals in JavaScript?
Double equals and triple equals, the difference between them is double equals that's compared two values, just compare two values, I mean compare two objects by values. But triple values not only compare the values but also compare to the type of uh, those two objects.
Exactly. To clarify, in JavaScript, equals is the equality operator that checks if two values are equal after performing type coercion. This means it converts the values to a common type before making the comparison. Triple equals is the strict equality operator that checks if both the value and the type of the two operands are the same, without performing any type coercion. So triple equals is more strict and usually preferred to avoid unexpected type conversions. Great job. Want to try another one?
Yeah, another one, please.
Awesome. Here's a front-end question. Can you explain what CSS Grid is and how it differs from Flexbox?
Radius.
Be,
To be honest, can you ask me again? I can hear you clearly. Excuse me. Can you ask me again? There's something wrong with ChatGPT. Hey, can you ask me again? So sometimes, there are some problem with, internet connection. So, and maybe you reach the limit. The limit of, you need to pay for the plus plan to can accept more features and expand your limitation. Yeah, in this case, you need to pay for to in order to talk more. Last the time you talk to ChatGPT, so that is the reason why this maybe happened. So as you can see, AI is one of the greatest technologies in our 21st century. So it's helped me a lot to learning to doing my work and many more. So you can leverage it to help you in your work, yeah, and many other things. So thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.